Hello mga Lods, good morning. We're here in the Philippines. We have here an aspiring newscaster. Okay, so atong paminawon mga Lods. Okay, that's right. So atong paminawon mga Lods ang iyahang guan practice. Okay, Le Ruben, bring it on.
Good day, Mandawi. Good day, Philippines. For today's headline, February 8, 2025. Man allegedly high on drugs kills 3, wounds 1 in Maribago, Lapu-Lapu City. A man allegedly under the influence of illegal drugs shot dead 3 persons and wounded another in Sitio Jagna, Barangay Maribago, in Lapu-Lapu City on Friday evening, January 17, 2025. The suspect, however, was arrested in his house in the barangay during a hot pursuit operation. And this is Lee Robin Albacete reporting live from Maribago, Lapu-Lapu City.
Okay, so there you have it mga Lods. Okay, so unsay grado nimo bata? Grade
3.
Grade 3 pa ni mga Lods ha. Mga high school din ha. Practice-practicean mo ha. Siglupigon mo aning bata. Di lang ta sige TikTok. Di ta sige og games, practice tagbasa. Okay.
Bye mga Lods.
Okay, sige.
Ikata.
Exam ra ba ugma mga Lods? Ining kamandi mga Lods. So, fine time sa pag-study, pagtuon diya mga Lods. Okay, amping mga Lods.